Hello and welcome to episode 19 of the Ask a Lawyer podcast or video or whatever series that we're doing. I'm your host, Christopher Small. I'm the co-owner of Emerald City Law Group. And today we're here to talk about another question that you have. And this surrounds bad faith. Here we go. So I got an email the other day from a client who was just wondering about what bad faith meant when it comes to kind of the car accident landscape, the personal injury landscape. Sometimes you hear that term thrown around when you are talking maybe with a lawyer or if you're listening to the news or something. Today I wanted to kind of explain a little bit about what bad faith is. And to sort of break it down to its bare bones, you know, the insurance company, when it represents you, it has kind of two competing interests going on, right? Most insurance companies are for-profit corporations. They have shareholders. They have quarterly numbers that they have to hit. And the way that they do that is to make money off of people like you and me, right? We pay our insurance premiums, we don't get injured, and then they make money. Or, you know, we do pay insurance premiums, then we get injured, and they pay us less than what we're really entitled to. Or they forget to mention that there are other insurance policies that could help with the coverage, and again, they sort of get to hold on to that money and not give it to you. So what bad faith really entails is when your own insurance company doesn't handle your claim in your best interests. Sometimes, well, most of the time, they have to actually understand what's going on and make the decision not to do the right thing. And this happens not often, but definitely more often than it should. And when that happens, this is sort of going to get lawyery for a minute, but what will often happen is, let's say there's another driver out there, he injured our client, and that client, our client then, is not getting paid everything they're entitled to from the insurance company, which is going to leave the other driver holding the bag, right? They're going to be responsible for the overage. So let's say there's $100,000 in damage. The insurance company is willing to only pay $50,000. That's leaving that other person on the hook for that $50,000. Now, if that person's insurance company should have paid the extra $50,000, then that's a real problem for the other driver. And you could be placed in this situation sometimes too. And it hurts both the driver and it hurts our client, because our client then is going to have a hard time collecting what they are entitled to, and then the driver could potentially have to pay money out of his pocket. So what will happen is that driver, the other person, will then sign over their claim to someone like us, and then we'll pursue that bad faith action against the insurance company. And when that happens, you are entitled to even more money than you would have been entitled to in the first place. So that's really what bad faith means, sort of the short and sweet of it. When the insurance company doesn't treat you, their client, the way that they should. And what I mean by that specifically is they don't protect your interests completely when they should have. All right, so that's bad faith in a nutshell. Hope you learned a little bit, enjoyed this. If you have a problem, if you think you have a bad faith claim, go ahead and call us. Emerald City Law Group. Once again, I'm Christopher Small, 206-973-0407. We'd love to talk to you about your claim, about your case. And even if we can't help, we would love to give you some information and get you to someone that can help you. All right, so take care, drive safe, and I'll talk to you soon.